Okay, this is the next project I'm going to start. I don't promise to finish it, although it's so small, but I have things to do. And what's the problem? As you see, this is the door from my boat. And what I'm planning here is to assemble the tablet with charged, what are they, lakes charge in this case. Assemble it somewhere here. And it was a bit surprise for me that the tablet is so big or the door is so small. I thought it's just a simple case, but it seems to be not. It seems not to be. And I think I'm gonna use these teak stripes which I got from my friend. And I'm just planning how to do it. Originally I thought I put the scarf here, or what you call it. Then I put the tablet there and another one's upstairs. But there's no, it takes so much room. I could use the bottom, just put it there. But I want to leave the ventilation there. So a little bit thinking, I thought maybe I'll just put the corners. Because anyway the picture is to the edges of the tablet. If I drop just the corners there, like these. Or maybe I could use these. That's that. It doesn't look woody. And I don't mean that woody. I think I'll try to make something out of these. Let's see what I come up to. Well, I'm quite excited. I haven't been doing this a lot or almost at all. So I hope I'm not going to lose my fingers or any other good parts of my body. Let's see what happens. Well, I made something. Just a little mishap there. And I think that's enough for the tablet, and it doesn't take all the screen off. Yeah. You made it, guys. And step 2. then we cut it too short, and I'm gonna straighten this edge because it's round. It should be in the corner, but it's round. And I don't need that anymore. And thank you, YouTube. I saw this, somebody clever guy using this. I don't have to reach to the vacuum or anything else, and this is so wise. If I put the power on, it doesn't start before I touch the switch. Of course I could drop this lower there and then cut this off. It would look nicer, I think. Let's see, I can always do that later. I'll just make a little piece to this side, and the controls are there. I can't make it all the way. I don't think that needs... Well, there's a camera, I want to use that. So I have to... I think I have to make two little pieces. Or... No, I don't need. I can make room for the lens if I need to. Yes, you guys are clever. Thank you. I just shorten this other one. Or would have this been nicer? Would this have been nicer to put it this way, downstairs? Too late now. Or maybe not, but I don't know. This looks kind of funny. If I make it... No, there's a hole too. Well, I could use this. Yeah, it looks much better. We do that. It's always nice to change the plans on the way. what do you say? So say. This one I think. Yeah, that looks nicer. Doesn't it? And this looks like a desktop. Yeah, that it is. And then we make the short one here. Have to switch the corners or yes. That's only gonna be about 10 centimeters. Yes. Bueno. This I put either side so that this is lower. I get it a little bit tilted, although the wall is a little bit tilted too. That's how it's gonna be. And I really wouldn't like to put screws there. I think I try the hot glue first. If it stays there, it stays. And I can slide it off. And the ventilation works even when it's on the place. And that really goes inside the cabin, but when I open the door it's in the cockpit. I can see it when I'm steering. Okay, we try the hot glue and that's it. And I can take a little bit support from the lock system. That's how it came out. I just slide it there. Like that. Now I lost the picture. Like that. And there's a beautiful voice guy there, as you see. Kyllähän on tämä kaikennäköisiä applikaatioita. A lot of applications for everything, including looking for the blueberries. We've got this one.